Hello, Mr. Peter. How can I help you today?
I have a prescription for an inhaler, but I'm not sure how to use it properly.
I'm happy to help you. Can you tell me what type of inhaler it is?
It's a meter-dose inhaler, MDI.
Great. MDIs are commonly used to deliver medication directly to the lungs. Before using the inhaler, shake it well to ensure the medication is evenly dispersed.
Okay, Mihira, I'll do that. What else do I need to know?
It's important to use a spacer with an MDI. A spacer helps deliver the medication more effectively to your lungs.
I don't have a spacer. Can I get one from you?
Yes, we can provide you with a spacer. Make sure you carefully follow the instructions on the inhaler and spacer.
Mihira, is there anything else I should be aware of?
If you experience any side effects, such as mouth sores or a cough, let your doctor know. Also, avoid using other inhalers or medications without consulting your doctor.
I understand that facing a chemotherapy session can feel overwhelming, but please know we are here to support you every step of the way. MIHIRA, when you arrive, our first priority is to ensure your body is ready for treatment, so we will begin with a quick blood test to check your levels. Once those results are confirmed, the chemotherapy drugs are administered through an intravenous line, which is essentially a small, thin tube placed into a vein in your arm or through a specialized port if you have one. The entire process generally takes between 3 and 8 hours, depending on your specific treatment plan. During this time, our nursing team will monitor you very closely to ensure you remain comfortable and safe. We will provide light snacks and drinks to keep you hydrated and nourished, but you are more than welcome to bring your favorite snacks as well. MIHIRA, to help the time pass more comfortably, many people enjoy bringing a good book, a tablet, or noise-canceling headphones to listen to music or podcasts. We also have detailed information leaflets available here that explain each part of your therapy and what to expect afterward. You are not doing this alone.